Hey guys, today I'm going to show you on how to revert a bootable Windows USB back to an ISO. We're going to be using my virtual machine that I already have a USB pass-through with it. You can see that right here, and it's already here connected on the computer. Here it is. This is the ISO that has already been passed through this virtual machine. I'm going to just put this in full screen. We're going to be using ImgBurn for this process. First off, with ImgBurn, you just want to create image file from file/folder. Want to go here and now go to your USB. My case is this one. And all you want to do is basically just copy all these files to here. And now that you've done that, you want to go into Advanced. And from here, you want to go into Bootable Disk. This is the option to make the ISO bootable. Now it says checkmark make image bootable, and now you're going to select your boot image. Browse for a file. You're going to find your boot image. If you're going to be doing BIOS, then you will want to pick boot, and it would be this one. You select that and you press OK. The only disadvantage with this, if you choose this boot image, then your ISO is only going to have BIOS. If you want to pick UEFI, then your ISO will only have UEFI. It's not gonna be dual boot. That's the only disadvantage of doing it this way. So right now, this is going to be BIOS. So I'm just gonna show the process. We already selected it. We don't need to do anything else here. We just need to now create it. So we're just gonna create that. We're gonna build it. Now we're going to save it to the desktop. We'll put here a Windows. So save. Click yes. Here you can change the label if you want. I'm just gonna leave it default. Yes. Just click OK. That will take a little bit. I'm just gonna fast forward. Okay, and there we have it. Operation successful completed. Just click OK. Now we can actually close this out. Now here is the ISO. ImgBurn creates this. You can delete this. You don't need this. You just need this. Now we're going to use Hyper-V Manager to test the ISO out. In this case, if this is BIOS, then it's only going to put on BIOS. We're also going to make a UEFI one, so you can see the process yourself. It's a little bit different, but it's still the same. New virtual machine. Next, I'm gonna give it a name. I'm gonna choose BIOS. Next, generation 1, since this one supports BIOS. Generation 2 would be UEFI, since it says it right there. Next, I don't need network. Next, install an operating system. Image file. Browse. Desktop. Windows. Okay. Next, finish. Open that up. Start that up. And now we're going to see that it's going to boot. And there, as you can see, it's now loading. Now we're in the setup. Next, installed. And you can just basically install it normally, just like it was a regular ISO, unless this is useful if you want to, if you have like a customized one and you want to revert it back into an ISO, it's really convenient. So I just accept the terms and continue, and now you can just continue here and just install the system. But we're not going to do that. I just wanted to show you guys that it actually works the process. If you click next, it will just immediately just start installing. So I'm just gonna cancel that. I'm gonna just close that out. Now we're going to do it again, but this time now we're going to do UEFI. Like I mentioned before in the video, if you make it BIOS, it will just be BIOS only. If you make it UEFI, it will be UEFI only. Just using this method. So it will be the same process. We just need to change a few things. So let's just create an image file from files and folders. Now here's just drag all these files again. Go to Advanced, Bootable Disk, make image bootable, and from here we just need to change the load section to 0000 and sector to load to 1, and the boot image location is different. So go back to the beginning, go to EFI, Microsoft Boot, and this is the UEFI boot image. Select that, open that up, and now wait for the process to build it. Desktop, and now I'm gonna name this one Windows UEFI. Save that. You can leave the name like that or change it however you like. Yes. Okay on this part, and now it's going to begin writing it. I'm just gonna fast forward this part. Okay, operation successfully completed. Okay again. This is done. We can close this out. We don't need this anymore. We can close that window out. There it is. We can delete this. We don't need that. Now from here, we're just gonna create a new virtual machine. Next, I'll name it UEFI. Next, generation 2, because this one is solely UEFI based. Next, 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 give it 67. Next, select the ISO, browse, Windows UEFI. Next, finish, give that a few seconds. There it is. Now we're just gonna open that up, start that up, and now it should load up into the Windows again. Now we can see here Hyper-V. Now it's loading up, and there we have it. We're in UEFI. Installed, and that's basically it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Have a great day.